How to transfer Google Photos to another account on mobile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer Google Photos to another account on mobile. First, open your browser and go to takeout.google.com. This page lets you download an archive of your backed up photos. The process can take time if you have many photos or a slow connection. Make sure you have enough storage space on your device. Alternatively, use the Google Photos website to export your photos by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner, then export your data. Now sign in to your Google Photos account with your email or phone number. After that, click Deselect All at the top to uncheck everything. Then, check the box next to Google Photos to select only your photos. Next, click the Next Step button at the bottom. Then choose a delivery method for your photos, such as receiving a download link via email or uploading directly to Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. You can adjust other settings as needed. Now click Create Export to begin the process. This will generate a zip file of your photos and send you a link for download. Once the archive is ready, click the Download button to get the zip file. Save it to your computer, then open it to access all your photos. After that, go to photos.google.com and sign in with a new account. Upload your photos to the new account. Keep in mind that new photos from the original account won't automatically transfer. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.